Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the page color in Google Docs in just a few clicks. Right now, you can see I have a plain white page. To change the color, go to File, scroll down if needed, and click Page Setup. This will open the Pages tab. Next, find the Page Color option and select the color you want. If you have a specific color in mind and know its hex code, click the plus icon to add a custom color. I'll go ahead and set mine to red. If you want this to be your default page color, select Set as Default. Otherwise, just click OK, and the page color will update instantly. And that's it. That's how you change the page color in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment saying I subscribed, so I can personally thank you. Thanks for watching, and take care.